Hello friends, I'm very excited to begin our online classes for this semester. Unfortunately, due to the prevailing circumstances, we could not meet face to face, but using this online platform, we will be having regular classes from now onwards. I hope you will try to learn something out of this series of lectures. Today being the first day, I welcome each and every one of you, particularly the 6th semester students. A very warm welcome to you all. I hope everyone is fine. Today I will simply try to introduce our syllabus. As you can see here, the title of our paper is Government and Politics of Northeast India. Paper-VIII for BA 6th semester Political Science Honors under Manipur University. This is how our syllabus according to the university look like. Here we have 5 units, but before going into each of the unit, I will try to show you some of the reference book given in the syllabus. This is not actually exhaustive, but some of the list that I could show you in this slide. If you are really interested to learn about the government and politics of Northeast India, you can see some of the books and start reading. In the first unit, we will discuss about the various features of Northeast India, both physical or natural, as well as the social or political features. We will also discuss some of the traditional political institutions like chieftainship, dormitory system, village administration, etc. In the second unit, we will briefly discuss about the relations between Northeast India and the British during colonial period, and political status of the states of Northeast India before and after India's independence, and finally the position or the situation or the status of hill areas before independence. In the third unit, we have a very important topic on 6th schedule of the constitutions of India, but we will also look into the autonomous district councils of Manipur, which is neither under 6th schedule nor under 5th schedule. We will also discuss the formation of states of Nagaland, Meghalaya, Mizoram, and Arunachal Pradesh, which were all part of Assam before they become full-fledged district. In the fourth unit, we will discuss political parties, both national and regional, and their role in the politics of Northeast India. Among the 8 national parties that we have right now, we will focus more on Indian National Congress and Bharatiya Janata Party, the two being the largest party in India right now. Among the many regional parties that we have in Northeast India, I will focus on Naga People's Front, Manipur People's Party, and Mizo National Front. In the last unit, we have the relations between the center and the northeastern region through Northeastern Council and various political movements like Naga Peace Talk, movement for implementation of inner line permit system, etc. in this unit. Thank you. Hope to see you in the next lecture, and I remind you that in this series of lecture I will try to be very brief so that you don't have to waste much of your time, but learn maximum out of this series of lectures. Thank you once again, and see you in the next lecture.